What is collective unconscious? Coined by Swiss psychoanalyst Carl Jung, the collective unconscious is a deep, shared layer of the human psyche that contains memories, instincts, and archetypes common to all humanity. But what does that mean? The collective unconscious isn't something you are consciously aware of. It's like the hidden basement of your mind. It's filled with ancient patterns and symbols inherited from our ancestors, not learned through personal experience. Think of it as a universal database of human thought, emotion, and behavior. For example, have you ever noticed how many cultures have flood myths, from Noah's Ark in the Bible to the Mesopotamian epic of Gilgamesh? These stories share eerily similar themes. Jung would argue that these aren't coincidences, they are expressions of the collective unconscious surfacing in different societies. At the heart of the collective unconscious are archetypes, universal symbols of characters that show up repeatedly in art, literature, and dreams. Archetypes like the hero, the mother, the shadow, or the trickster tap into primal ideas we all instinctively understand. Take the hero's journey, for instance. Whether it's Luke Skywalker in Star Wars, Frodo in The Lord of the Rings, or even Simba in The Lion King, the story structure feels familiar because it resonates with an archetype buried deep in our collective unconscious. We recognize it, connect with it, and feel inspired by it even if we can't explain why. But how does the collective unconscious actually work? According to Jung, it's shaped by millennia of human evolution. Our ancestors faced similar challenges like finding food, avoiding predators, or forming communities. And their experiences left imprints on our shared psyche. These imprints manifest as recurring motifs in myths, religions, and even modern pop culture. For instance, think about water. Water often symbolizes life, purification, or renewal. Why? Because early humans relied on it for survival, and that association became embedded in our collective memory. Today, we see this symbolism everywhere, from baptism rituals to movies like The Shape of Water. Why should you care about the collective unconscious? Understanding it helps us make sense of why certain ideas, images, or stories feel timeless and universal. It explains why we are drawn to certain characters, why specific symbols carry weight, and why some themes keep showing up in art and media throughout history.